Oh my gosh. Okay, so I think I screwed up with my appeal. I screwed up a little, well, certainly a little bit, maybe a lot, I don't know. But apparently, and I didn't know this because obviously I've never done an appeal before, is that before you upload your brief to the court's website, you have to do what's called a briefing schedule. And apparently, you have to sort of request an amount of time, and it's a lot of time. It's like 91 days that you have to file a brief. That's 3 months. But I understood that I had 14 days to file this brief. So it means that I did the Speedy Gonzalez brief in 14 days. I almost died from stress. And in fact, I have 3 months. This can't be possible. Local Rule 31.2, briefing schedule, regular and expedited appeals calendars. Okay, so A, except for appeals on the expedited appeals calendar discussed in B, the parties must submit scheduling requests for filing briefs in accordance with the procedures described below. I did not do that. I had no idea. I thought that the 14 days that they told me on the lower court meant everything had to be done in 14 days. Apparently not. They must have thought I was absolutely bleeping nuts. They probably almost died laughing. Okay, so the court ordinarily sets and so orders the requested deadlines as the firm filing dates for the parties' briefs. Can you believe this? What the hell am I going to do now? Scheduling request, appellant's request. I'm the appellant. Within 14 days after the later of the appellant's receipt of the last transcript, or the appellant's filing of the certificate that no transcript will be ordered, or the date the record is filed in FRAP 15 proceedings, the ready date, the record is filed in Federal Rules of Appellate Procedure 15. Let me write this down. FRAP 15. The ready date. The appellant must notify the clerk in writing of the deadline it requests for the appellant's brief. Holy bleeping bleep. Holy bleeping bleep. The deadline must be within 91 days after the ready date. Oh my God. If the appellant fails to submit a scheduling request, the deadline for its brief is 40 days after the ready date. Oh my God. Okay, so it means that it means that the court may dismiss an appeal or take other appropriate action for failure to timely file a brief or to meet a deadline under this rule. Oh my God. Okay, so, well, I mean, they can't say I didn't meet the deadline, but I mean, my brief is way, way advanced of the time it's due. I mean, I probably could have, maybe, I mean, I don't really want the headache, but I probably could have taken a little bit more time with it, you know, and request for a later deadline. A party's scheduling request may propose a deadline later than the time set forth in A1 A to C only if the case involves a voluminous record or extreme hardship would result. Oh my God, this really worries me. You know why? Because, I mean, why would a brief take someone 90 days? I mean, so it means that my brief must not have been, I mean, it was 75 pages, like a consolidated brief. But this worries me. Why would it take someone 91 days to finish or even a 75-page brief? It doesn't really make sense. Does it make any sense to you? I mean, or what, is it me? Like, I mean, was I like Speedy Gonzalez, you know? Oh my God. Expedited appeals calendar. Well, look. What is an XAC? What are they talking about? The court maintains an expedited appeals calendar, XAC, for appeals from threshold dismissals, defined as a judgment or order of a district court dismissing a complaint solely for lack of subject matter jurisdiction, failure to state a claim upon which relief can be granted, filing a frivolous complaint. Well, I mean, that's always a risk, isn't it? But that's like, I can't even think about that. I can't believe I had 91 freaking days to write this brief. And I did this in 14 days. And now in order to refile, like go back in and take a second bite of the apple and double check stuff and da 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 da, you have to do like a motion to refile. Like, I mean, why didn't anyone tell me? I understood I had 14 days.